Hello everyone!
Welcome back to City Simple DIY.
For those who are celebrating Eid, we would like to wish you all a very happy Eid.
Selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri.
Today, I'll be sharing 3 simple and easy Eid decor ideas. First up, Eid wooden ornaments. These are the materials that you will need: white glue, gold glitter, and these beautiful wooden Eid ornaments, which I purchased online. You can check out the video description for links to all the materials used in this video. These wooden decorations already look beautiful as they are, but I chose to add some glitter to enhance the look. Add glue on top of the wooden ornaments. Sprinkle some glitter over the glue. You can also use glitter glue instead to avoid making a mess with the glitter. Leave the wooden ornaments out to dry for at least 5 minutes. The second decoration idea is Bedazzled Stars. These are the materials that you'll need: rhinestone stickers, cardboard stars, which you can buy pre-cut or just make yourself using cardboard paper, scissors, and a pen or pencil. Trace the shape of a star on the cardboard paper. Cut out the star shape using scissors. Then you can decorate the stars with the rhinestone stickers. My little assistant is having fun sticking the jewel stickers on the stars. Moving on to the third decoration piece, a lantern flower pot. These are the materials that you'll need. A glue gun, white glue, Scotch tape, scissors, gold glitter glue, clear plastic film or cellophane, 2 sheets of cardboard, rhinestone stickers, a pen, a lantern cutout, a paint tray or palette, white and brown acrylic paint, and some paint brushes. Trace the shape of a lantern on the cardboard paper. Cut out the shape with scissors. Repeat this process 3 more times so you will have 4 lanterns. Cut out a rectangular hole in each of the cardboard lanterns. Next, my little assistant will paint the lanterns. You can paint the lanterns any color you like, but we went with a light brown color. Leave the cardboard lantern cut out to dry for about 5 minutes. Once the lanterns are dry, use the cellophane paper to make a window for each lantern. Cut out a piece of cellophane paper and glue it on the lantern with the white glue to cover the rectangular hole. Next, decorate each lantern with the glitter glue and rhinestone stickers. Using the other cardboard sheet, cut a square shape for the base of the lantern pot. Use the hot glue gun to glue the edges of the cardboard lantern, cut out together to make a 4-sided lantern flower pot. We can now admire the Eid decorations. Please be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more of Siti's simple DIY project ideas.